How to log in into Fife Council Tax Account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can simply log in into your Fife Council Tax Account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari. Now on the search bar, type Fife Council Tax Login and search for it. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your screen. Click on the second website that says Fife Council. Now wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now on this page, click on the 3- line at the top right corner. Now 4 different options will be appeared, from which click on the first option that says register/sign in. After that, now you will see 2 different options on your screen. You can select whether you want to sign in into your account or you want to register. Assuming you have already created an account, tap on sign in to fife.gov.uk option. Wait for a while and again you will be directed to this page. Now you need to enter your username and password in order to log in into your account. In case you have forgotten your username, you can tap on forgot username option, or if you forgot your password, you can simply tap on forgot password. And you can also sign in into your account using Yoti. Simply click on sign in using Yoti option. After filling all of your information, click on sign in option and you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.